Hello everyone and welcome to a new video on my YouTube channel. My name is Sofia and today I'm going to show you a point of sale software designed especially for small business owners or entrepreneurs who are just getting started and can't afford an expensive or complex system. This software has important functions such as product images, barcode scanning, printer support, A4 and thermal receipts, tax management, discounts, multiple payment methods, and much more. This system includes features for managing sales, inventory, customers, suppliers, orders, credit sales, quotes, expenses, users, settings, and reports. It was developed in the Python programming language using the tkinter library, and it runs on a local SQLite 3 database, meaning it works offline and it's limited to use on one computer at a time. One of the best parts is that it doesn't require an internet connection or installation. All you have to do is unzip the folder and it's ready to use. It is also fully portable, so if you need to use it on another computer, just copy the folder over and you're all set. Okay, today I'll show you the functions of the login and inventory modules. When you first open the system, you will see the login and sign up modules. The login module includes two text files, one for the username and one for the password. The system comes with a default administrator account. The username is admin and the password is also admin, but all in low capital letters. There is also a button that lets you toggle the visibility of the password, so you can choose to show or hide what you're typing. Both the login and sign up modules include basic security validations to ensure proper access control. So now I'm going to intentionally enter an incorrect password to show you how the system validates the credential against the database and displays an error message when the username or password is incorrect. So if I click on login, it says incorrect username or password. Now, in the sign up module, we have three types of user roles. One of them is the administrator role, which has full access to all parts of the system, and we also have a cashier and supervisor roles, and their permissions can be customized based on your needs. So later on, when we explore the user management modules or in another video, I will show you exactly how to assign permissions to these two roles. Okay, so now let's go ahead and create a new user. So the system includes a security code feature that gives you greater control over who can create new users. This means not just anyone can register a new user, only those who know the registration code are able to do so. So let's create a new user. I'm going to put my name, Sofia, the password, and the user role. In this case, I'm going to say it's a cashier, and the registration code, the default registration code is 1234, and we click on register and it says user created successfully. Now let's log in into the system using the default administrator account. As you can see, the default administrator account is admin. So we click on login and it says login successful, welcome admin. So once we are inside, we'll see a clean interface with buttons that take us to the different modules of the system. So before we can start using the system, there are a few things we need to set up. We need to create a customer, we need to add a supplier, we need to register a branch, and set up the product categories and add the taxes. So now let's go to the inventory module and let's add a new product. Okay, so let's click on the inventory module. And as you can see, we have a field to search the products. Also, the system displays the registered products along with their respective photos. And we have buttons to add, edit, delete, or export the registered products to an Excel file. So in the search field, we can filter a product either by typing its name, let's say orange juice, and it immediately displays the name of the product, and as you can see, it is already filtered. Or if we click on the button that is here, you can scan the barcode. So let's scan it, and you click on search, and it is already filtered. So let's go ahead and add a product. So I'm going to click on add. You're going to type the name of the product. In this case, I'm going to add a milk. As I said before, you can type the code or you can scan it. I'm going to scan it with my barcode reader. And it immediately displays the code. I'm going to choose a supplier. Remember that you previously had to create a supplier, a category, a branch. Okay, now let's add the price. Let's say 6.50, and the cost, let's say it is 3.50. Let's say that we have 20 on stock, and the category would be beverages. The branch, let's say main branch. The status is always active. And the tax, you have the option to configure the tasks. In this case, I have two options: sales tax or tax exempt. In this case, I'm going to add sales tax, and I'm going to load an image. So when I click on load an image, immediately takes me to the images on my computer. So I'm going to select the milk. I'm going to open it, and as you can see, it is already showing the picture of the milk. So I'm going to save it, and it says product added successfully. So now you have the option to edit a product. So for example, if I needed to edit any information from the product, sorry, let's select the milk. So if I needed to edit the product, I just click on edit and change anything that I need to change. If I want to delete the product, I click on delete, and it is going to ask for a security pin. Remember that the security pin is 2024, and you click on OK, and it is going to ask you if you are sure you want to delete the product. So you click on yes, and it says product deleted successfully. And at the end, you can export the products on an Excel file. I'm going to put it on the desktop. And I'm going to put a name, let's say inventory, and save. So as you can see, it is already on my desk, on the desk of my computer, and here you can see all the products that are already added to the inventory. And here you have a total of 9 products, and the window shows also the date and the time. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. In the next video, I'll show you the sales module, so don't miss it. Bye!